to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenue, Aquaba. Today, we'll be making Yaourt grotto, simply Abelewalls in Ghanaian language. It's a popsicle made from any cream or sweetener. It will be made out of the yogurt that I made. If you need the recipe, it will be down below in the description. A homemade yogurt is what we're going to make the Yaourt grotto out of. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and enjoy the video. So for our Yaourt grotto or Abelewalls, this is what we're going to need. Popsicle sticks, vanilla powder or vanilla sugar, some cups, vanilla essence, powdered milk, sugar, and the homemade yogurt, and half a cup of warm water. Right. So we'll start off by scooping of powdered milk. Into the warm water. Make it 2 cups actually. 2 cups. One cup of sugar in here. And whisk it all together. We then add our homemade yogurt into the sauce that we've just made out of the powdered milk. Whisk it together. Our vanilla goes in here, vanilla sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. And then you whisk. So this is the end product. This is going to be our Yaourt grotto, also known as Abelewalls. So we pour it in here. So these are ready to go into the freezer. So after a few hours in the freezer, we take it out and take a look at our Yaourt grotto. So we take warm water, grab one, dip in water for a few seconds.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe, and until we meet again, have a wonderful rest of your day.